Hey, welcome back. Here we are today. We are going to be making beer can chicken, and we're going to do it a little bit differently. We're going to do some bacon, and we're going to rub this chicken, which I infused it with some Italian herbs and olive oil, and we're going to put that in the oven, and then we're going to do some Brussels sprouts right afterwards. I'm going to put some of this salt. Yeah, we're just going to rub this salt right all over this chicken. Okay, so this is just some Italian seasoning. We're just going to sprinkle some of this on here. And we're going to massage that in there. We're going to get some of this bacon over here. And we're going to put it right on top of this chicken. We're going to turn this back on. The nice thing about the oven is that we can turn the gas on, and we can actually see inside of it, so we really don't need a light. Okay, perfect. Here we go. It's going in. Come with me. Actually poke the thermometer in there. And we got 178 degrees, so I believe, let's poke it over here now. 171, 194. And we're gonna throw some bacon and some olive oil right in there, and then we're gonna throw some Brussels sprouts in there. Here we go. We have some bacon that we have chopped up. We are done with the Brussels sprouts. Looking good. Nice and crispy and brown. We're gonna set this aside for now. Look at that. Okay, next step is we're gonna throw some dessert in the oven. Come with me. Here we go. We're gonna put some desserts on the plates, and we're gonna start with this banana right here. We're gonna grab this little knife here, and we're gonna slice this banana in half. Here's our banana infused with bourbon, vanilla ice cream, some honey, cinnamon sugar, and some rosemary. Bon appetit.